Hi, I'm Donovan Ritchie from Ritchie & Ritchie Products. I'm here to introduce the reversible bottom blade and to show you how easily it fits on a very rusted John Deere cylinder. So earlier on I removed the old rusted bottom blade or bed knife off of the cylinder. You can see it's very well worn, and without any backlapping and only adjusting the cylinder, I fixed our reversible bottom blade on, and I will show you now that just with setting, no bed knife grinding or bottom blade grinding, we're able to set it in and it cuts